This is the second part of the video on different types of assets in PySignage. In this video, we will see how to create a message asset in PySignage. Once created, it can be used like any other asset in a playlist. Message asset helps you create a message board instantly for conveying information. Let us understand more about this asset type by creating a sample message asset. We will create a message that the restaurant will be closed next few days for minor repair works to be shown on a screen displaying the menu. Go to Assets tab. Click on the Add button on the right side. Select Add a message. In the pop-up window that opens, you can enter your message. We will just copy a sample text here. Enter a file name in which the message will be stored. The default display will be white letters in a black background. You can modify the message board design using CSS attributes. We will see about it later. Here, we will keep this message as it is without any CSS modifications. You may select a category. We spoke about the importance of categories in part 1 of this video. Also, there is a separate video on categories feature. Here, we will assign it to a category called Message Assets Restaurant. Click on Save. The message asset is ready. You can find this asset under Assets tab. Now we have a separate video on how to create playlists and deploy it. Simply observe the use of message asset here. The message asset is inserted in a playlist with menu assets and deployed. You can see the message we created being shown in between the menu display. You can decide and control the duration for which each asset is to be shown in a playlist. The display here is just a sample. Now the default font size for the message is 50 pixel. So if you have a bigger message, the text in your asset may overshoot the screen. Let us create a bigger message. Follow the same steps as we did previously. I will paste a sample message here. Name the file name for the message. Again, we will not add any CSS here. Choose a category if you want. Save the message. Now let us deploy this asset in a playlist. Observe the output where message is exceeding the screen. Let us edit this message to make sure the text fits in the screen. Click on the asset you want to edit. As we know, the default size of message asset text is 50 pixel. Let us enter a reduced font size for this message, say 25 pixel using CSS attributes. Now let us modify the font color and background using some more CSS. We will add yellow for font and maroon as background using hex codes of these colors. Save the changes. Observe the output to see the modification in the message asset. You can experiment with CSS to create nice designs. Using messages in between restaurant menu display is just one use case, and our customers have used this feature in ingenious ways. We will see them in forthcoming videos.